Now we'll guide you through the process of setting up your Ezoic ad account. Follow these steps. Go to the Ad Partner website. Use the link we provided to access the Ezoic platform. Create your Ezoic account. Click the Get Started button in the top right corner of the screen and follow the simple steps to register your account. Ignore the welcome email. You'll receive a Welcome to Ezoic email explaining how to set up your account, but you can disregard it. We'll handle the setup for you. Wait for approval. Look out for an email notification confirming that you've been approved by Google Ad Manager in about 2 to 5 business days. Set up account access. After receiving approval, log into your Ezoic dashboard. Click on your profile photo in the top right corner. Navigate to Privacy and Security. Manage users and add Technical at Innovacious as an account admin. That's it. There's nothing more for you to do. We'll complete the setup and configuration for you and let you know once everything is ready.